Today, inventory management in warehouses is laborious and inefficient. With Verity's platform, inventory tasks can be triggered by your warehouse management system or manually scheduled by an employee. Data is collected autonomously and sent to your WMS or ERP system with no employee intervention required. Scan and decode barcodes anywhere in your warehouse at any frequency without the need for lifting equipment to put employees at hazardous heights. Review racks for empty or underutilized locations. Collect the data at whatever frequency you need to optimize the space usage in your facility. Inspect your warehouse for damaged inventory and racking or misaligned pallets. The drone can identify anomalies and send the information back to your WMS or other systems. Use thermal imaging to inspect your facility infrastructure and equipment for irregular thermal footprints. Identify and predict problems prior to requiring.
Likey